Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to recover junk mail in Outlook. Now, the first thing you want to ensure is that you're properly signed into your Microsoft Outlook account, and these can be achieved by heading to your Google Chrome browser or any preferred browser of your choice, and then you just simply type in Microsoft Outlook over there. Go through the login page or the sign in page, and it will take you over here where you get to input your phone number or email address, and then when you're done, you click on next. You have to input all of the valid information that is needed to create an account, all right, to get you properly signed in. And now if you don't already have an account, just head over to create an account, click on that, and then go through all the processes it will require for you to get yourself properly logged in on the Microsoft Outlook platform. Now, having done that, you would be taken to a page that looks like this. So this is what the Microsoft Outlook platform looks like. All right, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to recover junk mail on Microsoft Outlook. Remember that Microsoft Outlook is a powerful email and productivity platform or tool that is designed to help people and individuals, businesses to stay organized and stay connected. It is more than an app. It is much more than that. It is a platform that allows you to manage your emails, to also schedule meetings, and to manage all form of activities, including your calendars, your store, contacts, and much more. It also helps you set reminders, all of that in one place, whether you're using it for your business, for your work, for school, or any other activities. It is the best platform you want to use for your communication purposes. All right, so let's go straight into the video where we show you how to recover your junk mail in Microsoft Outlook. So I'm guessing that you're already properly signed into your Microsoft Outlook account. Having done that, head over to your mail. All right, so this is where you have your mails. You will see a mail titled junk mail. All right, junk email. So you click on that. When you do click on that, you would see an option, all right, that shows you to select a particular email you want to remove or recover. Right, so I do not have any junk email, as you can see, but if you do have a junk email, it should appear over here. And when it does, what you just want to do is click on that particular email. All right, so you select it from this platform. When you do, you just click, an option would appear, so you click on not junk, and when you've done that, you just click on confirm, and immediately your junk email would move from this junk email option over here to inbox. So that is how you can simply recover your junk email in Outlook. Remember, you come to your Outlook platform, go to junk email, select a particular email you want to return from junk to your inbox. When you do that, click on it and then select recover, confirm that, and to take you back to your inbox. So this is how you can simply recover junk email in Outlook. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until the next one, bye for now.